The story begins in 1985. September 19th, 7:19 a.m. Millions of people were preparing for an ordinary workday. Then, suddenly, hell broke loose. An 8.1 magnitude earthquake leveled hundreds of buildings, turning Mexico City into rubble. Thousands lost their lives. The horror lingered, leaving an indelible scar in Mexico's history. 32 years later, people still tell their children and grandchildren about that fateful day, about the courage of volunteers who dug through debris with their bare hands to save survivors. However, the story doesn't end there. Few know that after the disaster, the Mexican government initially hesitated to accept international aid, wanting to handle the crisis on its own. But the devastation was so immense that they had no choice but to relent. Hundreds of SOS signals were sent out, and the international community responded. Yet the most powerful image came from the Mexican people themselves, the Topos, the first volunteers who fought through the rubble before professional rescue teams arrived. These unsung heroes embodied the resilient spirit of a nation,